What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Here's your boy Minty, Trippy Trev in the building. I got special guest Juan Mario over here, Black Mamba SRT, and we're about to do a shaved engine reveal on my beautiful SRT4, man. I can't believe this day has come. Finally, the wait is over for everybody that's been waiting for this car. Before I start this video, I want to start off with the good quote of the day. You guys already know, by Frank Ocean. Work in silence, let your success do the noise for you. Like that said, always plan and focus, vision your goals and dreams. Because if you let someone else in your goals or your vision, and they could block your dreams, you know what I'm saying? So you want to work undercover, do what you got to do, and then show it off in the end. I feel like this is a perfect example right here, you know, since I've been gone for a while and actually working on this car still, never stopped. This is my baby right here. Had it for almost 5 years. And it's been down almost 3 years, you know what I'm saying? Since we hit 700 subscribers, and I really appreciate every single one of you guys. We're on the road to 800. We're gonna do a giveaway, a purple tow hook. For those that want it, make sure to comment sub down in the comments down below and leave your tag name, your Insta name on the bottom so we could reach at you. We'll probably give the giveaway sometime next week. We're gonna put it on our Instagram too, so make sure to follow stance.addicts. Have more details on there too. Guys, love these videos. Make sure to subscribe down below, hit the notification button, like it, comment, share. You guys like the SRT4 content, Subi content, Evil content, bag, stance, dish wheels, painting, all that. Make sure to always come back because we're always dropping them
bangers only.
There you go, bangers only, you know what I'm saying? Cut this off. I know you guys are anticipating to see what I got under this tarp. Trevor luckily brought his blanket.
Yep.
Juan Mario hasn't seen my engine bay. Trevor hasn't seen my engine bay. Here's the engine bay. And are you guys ready? Smash that thumbs up button if you guys are ready. Don't skip on me right now. All right, guys. Oh my God, where should I stand?
Oh my God.
Hold on, let me get the review action right here. Hold on. Stand right there real quick.
Don't pull it yet.
Huh? Not yet?
No, not yet.
That's
I'm not ready.
You're scaring me, way. Ooh. Check this bad boy out, way.
Silver Kruger on the track.
Blossom, that is ice right there.
Damn.
This is the only time you guys will be able to touch the bay. Because in the car shows, there'll be no touch.
No touch?
Whoa, no touchy. No touchy. No touch.
You're gonna smack my hand?
You're gonna smack them hands, boy.
I think it's beautiful.
It's gonna be a clean project once it's done.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Car shows and everything.
I like that, Omar.
Shout out to all the subscribers.
There you
Keep
go.
on subscribing.
There you
We
go.
got more new content coming in.
Yeah. As you can see, this is my baby, my SRT4 2005, stone white with the mint engine bay now. If you guys didn't know, if you guys been following me for the past years, you guys know that I've been working on this car for a long while. I have a lot of videos on this car from the beginning process of taking out the engine to all the body work I did inside the engine here. If you guys want to check those out, make sure to hit the link up here. Those will take you to the playlist on all this project here. Big shout out to all those guys that helped me out on this engine bay. A few from a group that I followed, a painting group, and they gave me a bunch of tips, you know what I'm saying? Big shout out to Matt, Joe, Ryan. The ones that helped me through this whole process. They taught me everything, you know? This is my first time painting, by the way. First time using a gun, compressor. Thankful for them for helping me through this whole process, you know? And also want to give shout out to Ryan, Murder Neon. You know who he is. He's the one that inspired me to actually shave my bay. You know what I'm saying? So big shout out to him. Jeff and SRT4 from Instagram for giving me more tips and advice on how to do my setup here. And now finally, you guys can see it right here. Check it out, guys. We got tri-stage paint from epoxy paint, primer, sealer, and then base, pearl, clear coat. You know, it was a long process of painting, but it was well worth it. You know what I'm saying? And if you guys can see the sparkles in here, it's not metallic paint, it's not flake, it's all pearl. The pearl is the one that gave it the metallic look. This was a custom paint, you know, since the mint is very hard to create the same type of mint because it's all different types of shades. What I get is what I get, pretty much. But I'm very happy with it because it really matches with all my theme here. It's mint white. I did a lot of body work, a lot of hours, fingers cut, scraped, cramped, carpal tunnel, you name it. I got it all in months, you know, and it was well worth it. I almost gave up a few times just because it was too much work, and I don't know, I was just stressed out. You know, I did all this myself. Everything from welding, body work, paint, sand, paint again, everything, all myself. So I take big pride on my work, you know, and I'm very proud of how it came out. And like I'm telling you guys, like if you guys have a dream, a goal, you guys stick to it, man, and just get your resources. That's all you guys need to do. Get your resource, find a few guys that will know about their stuff, learn from them, and just do it. Because just by doing it yourself, you guys learn a lot. I learned a lot these past few months trying to get this done, you know. I never knew how to paint. I didn't know how to do none of this mixing stuff. And I'm telling you guys, I learned a lot of things. So now I'm more confident on my next builds and other little projects I got to do with painting and bodywork and all that. It was a very fun process, but a very stressful process, you know what I'm saying? I shaved down from pinholes, extra bolt holes here. I got beams sealed up. They used to look like this all the way across. I shaved them, welded them, grinded them, did a body work. Right here, it had a beam here, and I shaved it down. Body worked it. Up here, had little welds in here. I got rid of. If you guys can see, I got rid of the upper mount here, since I'm gonna go K-frame on it. It's gonna make the engine look like it's just floating in here, you know, and it's gonna look so nice. And I hope you guys like it, you know, and tell me in the comments what you guys think. Tell me what the color. Tell me. I just want to know your guys' opinion, you know. I think it stands out sexy as hell, you know, and I think I did a pretty good job, you know.
Dude, this is unbelievable for your first time, bro.
Yeah.
This is crazy. This is amazing.
This is, I'm still shocked when I look at it, you know, and I almost lost motivation just having it sitting here under bags and covered up. So I decided to put it all together, and when I saw it like this, I was more motivated to like start it again, you know, because I took a break after this. And now I'm gonna get ready. Spring, by summertime, hopefully I have my first startup on the new engine. I'm gonna get it rebuilt so you can see videos. So if you guys wanna stay in touch and stay updated on my project here, make sure to subscribe. Also got an Instagram that I'll be posting more pictures now. It's been kind of dry, I'm sorry guys. It's just that I didn't wanna post it yet. I wasn't ready yet. But now that I'm showing you guys, make sure you're gonna get spammed up with engine barrier, you know. Hopefully I inspire you guys to, you know, to motivate you guys that you guys could do it. We got Flash in the building.
Oh my goodness.
Bring me a burrito.
You brought food?
And freaking Omar's over here dying.
He was right.
I was leaving already.
I think it's majestic.
Majestic.
That's nice. I already seen it like when he first did it.
Yeah. Like I said, like he's a big part. He helped me he used to be a body
He used to be a body
man,
guy.
and he helped me with a few techniques.
Little bit.
Yeah, and I appreciate that. Every little help counted, you know, and I really appreciate everybody who helped me. My boys who encouraged me to do this, to keep doing this, even though I regret it sometimes, you know. But now that it's done, I have a lot of plans. We're gonna do a wire tuck. When relocate my fuse box under my dash, relocate my battery as well. Stay tuned for those videos. It's gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna be a new thing, new skills to learn. But if I got this down, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be okay. You know, I'll probably be stressed, but still be good. Anything else, Flock, you need to add?
Somehow good that burrito is.
Oh yeah, hold on. Flock over here finishing his burrito. He's on break. You know, I only pay 8 hours. You know? Breaks don't pay. You know.
You tell
So
them the cost?
this right here, guys, cost me around $800 to $1,000. You know, and it was a lot of material that I used, like sanding. I had to buy sanders. You know, everything that I didn't have, I had to buy my own stuff. Paint over here was around $600, $700 for my primers, all the way to my clear coat, you know, and I had to pay a little extra to get that glamour clear coat on here, and it gives it that extra wet look. I think it was a great choice because look at it, it just looks so wet, you know. It's wet right there, you know. You know what I'm saying? And
Still looks fresh.
yeah, that.
Let's see this.
I mean, if you guys probably could tell, I have a little bit of runs on the clear. But I'm gonna cut and buff it. Ain't no big deal. Get a show ready. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. I want to know your guys' feedback on this. And make sure to come back. We got some goodies coming for our team. Flacco, Mama have some nice pieces on their way. Show them the track number. You got Trippy Trev, Subi on the works. It's gonna be, like I said, it's gonna be ready for his first car show, and like in these 3 or 4 months. You know what I'm saying? And we're excited to see that Subi come to life. We got Peter Evil 10. He's not here, but I know he has some good parts coming. So like that said, guys, this is your Team Addictive here, Stance Addicts, and like that. Have a great week. Stay positive, stay active. We're out. Peace.